Hello guys, good evening. Dear friends, not actually it is evening, it is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So friends, today I am going to shoot a very interesting video related to how do I spend my evening time. So my evening works actually begins from 3 o'clock in the afternoon, because after a day's work in the early morning, since the early morning to 12, around 12 or 1 o'clock, I returned, and after having my lunch I just take a little nap for almost an hour. Then I set out for my afternoon walks, and then it went up to the evening, late evening. So friends, let's go what I do in the evening time. I will show you in this blog. So before I go out, I will have fresh, then I will show you what do I do in the evening. Still then, see you. So guys, we are ready now, and shortly we'll be making our way to fast to the driving school center. This is our final day, and I'm heading with my friends. They are at the downstairs. I will show you them. Okay. So guys, we are out right now, and I have to pick up my scooty. We are 3 people. We are very soon heading there. Hi guys, this is our institute, Kalinga Driving Center. Okay, now I'm going to meet my sir. गुड आफ्टरनून सर. सर आ गए कि आप जाएंगे आज?
आ जाएंगे आप.
So dear friends, we got at the driving school. Now we are heading to drive. Today it's my first turn, and I will be here to drive the car. And this is our 22 number of day. I will be driving today. I will continue the vlog. So yes guys, back to the vlog again. I completed my turn. Okay, I just went around the town of Banjnagar. So this is our final tour with this driving education, and today we'll be finished off everyone. So we are 3 in our crew: me, my friend Tarak sir, and Kaifi sir is on the driving seat. It is his turn now. So this is the way, goes around this way, and we will just go through the town. This is our driving sir, you can see here. Okay, he's our trainer, and I will show you this town, the glance of the town. This is bypass road we are passing through. Photo shooting also very big problem. I don't have that much of skill. You can see the town. I'm just touring, right, and letting you explore this town of Banjnagar. There is a mall here. I have never frequented the. I think this is a mall, I think. Okay. We have very less skill about the knowledge of driving. We just know some practical. This is a 3-way, right? And we need to be very cautious, because we all are training. And okay. Many of my friends all the time they were commenting and saying to make a blog on driving, but this is not fair to make a blog without any knowledge. So today I feel like we completed
इसमें हाफ क्लच रखते हैं या
our 22 number of ditch, and this will be our final day, and thereafter
और जब बड़ा
we
pressure
have
आता है तो
to
उसमें
say
पूरा-
goodbye. And it was indeed a very wonderful journey with this driving mission. And hey buddy, where you are looking?
फिर से शुरू हो गया
Sometime, okay, let me show you. A very small town, but traffic is very less now also. And the very remarkable and wonderful feature of this town is people in the town sleep during the afternoon. It is very strange. You cannot find anywhere in the country people love to take a nap, a short nap in the afternoon. Therefore we have very less traffic, so we are easily going through, no blockage. Oh my god, lot of speed breaker, lot of speed breaker have been given here. Okay, that is very right to give also, but it is quite difficult for we people. Okay, we are not so capable in handling the brake and clutch at the same time, and that's something a very big deal to handle for the new trainee, and we are almost capable of right now. Let me show you the town here. Indeed, the course was very interesting. We spent very nice moment moving together with three people, with three friends. Had a very nice moment. Today our trainer sir has not come actually. Therefore we are missing him a lot. He always had making us a lot of funny comment whenever we are making any sort of mistakes. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you, here is the chart. It's quite a very top town. People do not have any traffic system also, so people need to arrange their traffic system on their own way. So sometime we very much puzzle in between the roads. Sometimes the passers by, sometimes the bikers, they just appear in front of the car, and lot of things happen. Sometimes any sort of unfortunate may also happen. Okay. This is the court here. You can find different groceries. The street seller lined with in the both sides of the street. You can get everything at a very reasonable rate here. Is the hospital here, Bansnagar Sub-Divisional Hospital. We are not allowed to make any peep, but because of traffic, we have to. So we again reach to our first destination. The destination, yani ki the point where we started our journey. The second man now completed his part. Now my body, Tarak sir, is going to drive, and let's see how well he is driving today. So guys, this is our third round. We are going to complete it very soon, and you can see the man on the driving seat who is bossing over the car right now appears to be very pleasing, spirited and very confident in running the car. Oh my god, the street cow always appear whenever you drive the car in the city and the town. Indeed, it was a wonderful journey during or and completing our internship of 21 number of days. And after completing this task, we are very much confident that after that we will be able to complete, we will able to handle a